Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Start of this week, GBPJPY has actually been giving us a bullish move, and we talked about the reasons, JPY index or JPY as we can see is actually dropping. So definitely we expect a bullish move on any other pairs to our JPY. You can see CAD JPY was giving us a bullish move. You can also see Swiss franc JPY yesterday and day before yesterday. We actually had a bullish move, but right now, Swiss franc is actually dropping. Basically, most of Swiss franc is actually dropping. So this will be exempted, right? If you want to go ahead and sell on your Swiss franc, it's up to you. So well, take away that. If you take a look at your Euro JPY, I've done analysis on Euro JPY, so you can check it out. So Euro JPY is also giving us a bullish move. So basically, we expect this GBP also to actually give us a bullish move since JPY is dropping. Then another pairs we will be trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. So now we take a look at this as a bullish move on GBPJPY. This will be a pullback, and now this is an impulse move. So what I will be expecting for the next day, personally, what I will be watching out for the next day is kind of like a bearish move, or which will serve as a pullback, right? This GBPJPY, we will still expect more bullish move upward, right? More bullish move is to come, but right now we kind of need like a drop or a pullback or a rejection. Now, the reason why I'll give you reasons why I'm saying that, if you take a look at your GBP, your GBP pairs, you see that basically they are dropping, right? You see GBP, if you take a look at the trend, you see GBP is actually dropping. Even if you take a look at apart from GBP Swiss franc, you all know Swiss franc is actually dropping. So any other pairs to Swiss franc will go bullish, no doubt about that. But when you take a look at your GBP card, your GBP New Zealand dollar, GBP, or they're actually dropping. So we expect GBP. You also take a look at your GBP USD, it is dropping. So basically, one of the reasons why we are having a bullish move on this GBPJPY is because JPY is also dropping. Not that is one of the reasons why GBP is actually pushing up. But we believe soon that this JPY will actually find its bullish move at this level, be it tomorrow or on Friday, which is be it tomorrow, which is Thursday, or Friday, whereby this JPY will go up. So once it goes, we believe that there will be more drop. I think GBP to JPY will have more massive drop. So basically, this GBP is at the level whereby price will actually want to reject or react to. So we should watch out for that level. If you also couple with the fact that price has reacted to this level previously, you can see technically, you can see this level price has been coming, reacting at this level, right? You can see a rejection at these levels have highlighted them, right? This is it. So price is currently at this level again. So we expect kind of like a drop. So another reason why I said you should watch out for a drop on GBP JPY soon. So if you go to the forward time frame, you can see the forward time frame, though the forward time frame is still an uptrend move, but it looks like we are starting to have something like a drop. So let's see if we would have a drop to 159, which I'm not really sure it will get to that even level. But one thing is that GBP JPY should actually drop first. Maybe then we can continue that bullish move if only this JPY index will continue to drop. Then if it continues to drop, then GBPJPY will continue to push up. But for tomorrow that we are doing this analysis, let's see this GBPJPY actually give us a bearish move. Maybe then on Friday we can now continue the bullish move on GBPJPY. So anyhow, how the price plays out, we'll go ahead and take the trade.